Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today we are going to see how to install a graphic card in a PC. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel Tech TV. Please like, share, subscribe and subscribe to our Tech TV channel. Please subscribe to Tech TV channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. This is a XFX nvidia GeForce GT640 series graphics card. It has a ghost thermal technology, a hi-fi cooling system. It has two fans with superb quality. See the ports behind the nvidia card. See the chipset motherboard below. We are going to install this graphics card into our computer now. We will be installing this graphics card into PCI Express X16 slot. PCI Express Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, used as an interface or connection between motherboard components like graphic card, RAM and hard drives, etc. This XFX nvidia GeForce GT640 card having 4 GB memory, 4 GB. PCI Express slots come in different physical configurations: X1, X4, X8, X16 and X32. X32 slots will come by 2022 or 2023 time frame. The number after the X tells you how many lanes, that is how data travels to and from the PCIe card that particular PCIe slot has. Yeah, PCIe X4 slot has 4 lane and can move data at 4 bit per cycle. A PCI Express X16 in our case has 16 lane and can move data at 16 bit per cycle. Now we are going to see the bandwidth capability and the frequency speed transfer rate information of each generation of PCI Express. PCI Express 1 generation with the X16 slot gives 8 GB per second throughput. PCI Express second generation with the X16 type gives 16 GB throughput. PCI Express 3.0 generation with the X16 type gives 32 GB throughput. PCI Express 4.0 generation gives 64 GB throughput. PCI Express 5.0 is the latest one. Now we are going to see the graphic card driver installation. graphic card software installation. I am downloading the Graphicscard driver software from the nvidia website. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel Tech TV. Please like, share, subscribe and subscribe to our Tech TV channel. Please subscribe to Tech TV channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Graphic card driver download has been completed. Now we are going to install the graphic card driver. I am going for a clean installation so that it will remove all settings, everything from the old installation and it will configure everything newly. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel Tech TV. Please like, share, subscribe and subscribe to our Tech TV channel. Please subscribe to Tech TV channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.